Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to share with you how to make DIY avocado oil for cooking and for body and skin. I already washed my avocado. I have one medium-sized avocado there, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my kitchen towel over there to wipe it dry as shown in the video, and then I'll use my knife to cut it into half, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my spoon over there to scoop my avocado out as I add it to the bowl close to me. After scooping all my avocado out, I'm going to go ahead and use my spoon again to mash my avocado as shown in the video. You can use a potato masher or a fork. Just try your best to make it lump free. So moving on, I have my pica vegetable oil here. I'm going to go ahead and use my serving spoon there to measure 4 serving spoons of my oil as I add it to my pot there. And then I'm going to go ahead and divide my avocado into 2 halves. I'll set the other half aside. We are going to need it for the second recipe. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my avocado to my oil as shown in the video. And then I'll use my wooden spoon there to mix it as shown in the video. So to make this oil, it will take you about 20 minutes. So you're just going to use medium-low heat to cook this slowly until it begins to turn golden brown, as you can see there. You just have to wait patiently until your avocado turns golden brown like that. And then after 20 minutes, turn off your stove and let that cool completely. So moving on, we are going to be making avocado oil for body and skin and hair. I have my liquid coconut oil there. I'm going to use it as my carrier oil. So I measured with my plastic spoon there about 6 tablespoons to 7 tablespoons of my oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it to my pan there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my mashed avocado in as shown in the video. And as you can see, I transferred my pan to my stove. Yeah, I'm using heat to make this. I'm going to go ahead and use another wooden spoon again to mix this up properly as shown in the video, and then we'll patiently wait again for this to cook until it's golden brown. It will take you about 15 to 20 minutes. Just use slow heat so your oil doesn't drain before your oil is ready. As you can see right here, my oil is now ready again. I'll set aside so it can cool. Moving on, my oil is now cold enough. I have this transparent containers here there too, and I also have 2 sieves. I'm going to go ahead and use my kitchen towel over there to wipe my containers and sieves as shown in the video, and then I'm going to go ahead and now strain my oil, and this is how my oil for cooking looks. When you're straining your oil, make sure you have 2 sieves and 2 containers. You don't want to mix the oil for body and for cooking. After straining my oil, I'm going to go ahead and set aside so the rest of it can drip. As you can see right now, I'm straining my oil for body and skin. So after using my sieve, I just realized that my oil was a little blackish because there was a black residue in it. So I went ahead and used my kitchen towel again, and then I strained both of my oils. And then here again I used different kitchen towels. Yeah, and as you can see right here, I'll just leave my oil to strain slowly and slowly. As you can see, it's moving downwards, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and just use my hand to squeeze my oil out. Since this oil is for cooking, just make sure you wash your hands before you squeeze the oil out. So I strained both of the oils, Right here, I'm just doing the one for cooking, and then the other one I did off camera. And then as you can see, now that black residue is left on my towel. And right here, my oil is ready. As you can see, it's looking really good. I'm going to move on and add my oil to my bottle here. I have this transparent glass bottle over here. I'm going to go ahead and transfer my oil to it, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover it tightly. And since I used liquid oil, this won't solidify, and this is how my oil looks, you guys. I love the one for the body. Look at that. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.